Oh. All right, y'all, we back. So I did go back and get another cleaner. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the back of this garage. This thing say it's supposed to reach 20 feet. So we gonna see. Maybe I should put some plumber's tape because last time it was just squirting all out. Hold on. Got this on. It's on off right now. Y'all tell me if it starts squirting out all crazy. Okay. No, we got the tape on here. It ain't doing all that. Okay. Let me stand back. Ooh, it's blowing back this way. Hold on. Ooh. Ooh, it's getting all of that off. Okay, the other side y'all can't see, so it don't matter. Stick. Oh shit. That wasn't a good idea. Let's turn the water off first, honey. I don't want nobody saying nothing to me about going to no gym. If this ain't no workout, I don't know what is. You try rolling up 100-foot cord or hose, rather. Make sure y'all get some plumber's tape. Put the plumber's tape around there. That's good enough.